Can you get scammed in Alibaba in 2025? Yes, of course you can. You can get scammed on any website, for a matter of fact. Now, for example, here, if I go to my search bar here and I want to search up something called iPhone 13 here, for example, right? iPhone 13. Now, on iPhone 13, most of these products is legit, right? Because all of these price is priced up properly, right? But for example, there's an iPhone 13 here that only costs $99. Now, obviously, that won't be real, right? Because it's a cheap smartphone, cheap original. See, it's an iPhone 13, but it's only around $100 or $99 here. Obviously, that's not real, right? Even if it is, you're probably gonna be getting something that's pretty cheap, right? If it's price cheap, then the product that will come will be cheap as well. This is a pretty obvious scam here, right? Because 1 terabyte, 100, 500, 250, they're all priced the same. Obviously, the bigger the storage, it should be priced more expensively, right? But for some reason, this one is not priced more expensively. Even if it's not inherently a scam, they do say it's refurbished. If you buy something cheap, then you should expect to get something cheap or not legit, right? Now, that's not the only thing that's a scam in Alibaba. One of the most common thing is that they'll send you a high quality sample. For example, an AirPod Max here, right? An AirPod Max, they'll send you a high quality sample, but then when you box sale and then you buy a lot, then that's not gonna actually come as a high quality product. So they're just gonna send you one high quality product to kind of lure you in, like, oh, this product is actually pretty good. But then when you buy it a lot, like you buy it in bulk, and then when the product actually come, it'll be low quality, right? And that's the thing. That's the most common kind of scam, right? That's the most common kind of scam. Now, for example, here, 2024 real serial number 17 Air Max wireless head mounted headset here, right? It's only about $25 if you buy 100 pieces. Now, even though this doesn't say Apple Air Max, it's called Air Max and it's shaped like an Apple Air Max. So, what do you think? This is kind of a scam, but it's misleading, right? Because even though they don't explicitly say that this is Apple's one, they call it an Air Max wireless head mounted. It looks like one, and it even has the Air Max name. Even though it's not inherently a scam or a blatant scam, this is extremely misleading. So you really need to be careful when you shop on Alibaba. Make sure it's someone reputable.